Let's go ahead and take a look at what happened here. We have a message here that says basic page, welcome to Adventure with Magnificent has been created. This is the message area of the page. And so if you're ever looking for confirmation that a particular action that you've taken has occurred, this is the place to look. You'll also see errors and notice messages in this area as well. And this location can vary from theme to theme. We have our title here, and then we have our content as well. So we're getting close. The URL, if we look at it up here, is /node/1. Now we haven't come across this word node before in these videos, so let's take a minute and wrap our minds around what node means. In the context of Drupal, node is usually synonymous with a piece of content. So the page that we just created is considered a node. But if you remember when we went to the Create Content page, let's go ahead and go there. I'm going to click the Add Content link in our shortcut bar. We saw that there's two options, article and basic page. These are two different types of content, but they are both nodes. Now there's other content on your site as well that aren't nodes, and so this is why the term content is a little bit tricky. It can be ambiguous because it doesn't necessarily mean node all of the time. But content is a whole lot easier to understand at a first glance than the word node is. So in the past couple versions of Drupal, there's been a push to change every usage of the word node to the word content. I'm going to go ahead and exit out of this overlay by clicking the X in the upper right hand corner here. Let me go back to our page. Now there are several situations where the word node is still used. For example, we just created a page, and as a default, it created a URL that starts with node. So it's important to understand as you come across this word, which is also used extensively in documentation as well as discussions on Drupal.org, since node is the traditional term for these pieces of content. It's important to understand what it means and how to connect it up with some of the other concepts that we're talking about.